Okay, Outre, come through with the Sleeklay part collection.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right, what the hell do you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. One of a kind, better blow your mind. I ain't one of them conky pines to get lost behind when you don't blow the spine. That too, cause you lose your focus. I know what they're doing is bogus. Hold this, I be using my lotus flower bomb to turn you on. So if I'm wrong, just sing along. Fondling my heart and soul. Run the play and make the goal. Steady, are you ready? Gonna pay the toll. Here come the confetti, now lick the bowl. You can call me Betty when you crack the pot.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. This one is from the Outre Sleeklay part collection. I'm wearing it in the style Genevive and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with a 5-inch center HD lace parting space. It does also come slightly pre-plucked HD lace, and it does have baby hairs. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline is looking like on this one. So as you guys can see, the hairline is not crazy plucked. You don't get a crazy amount of space. I feel like it is workable as is, but I do wish there was just a little bit more space and that it was a little bit more plucked. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now this unit is 22 inches in length, and as you can see, it's a very natural length, very natural density. It comes right above my boobs. It's like a thicker natural density, if that makes sense, which I really, really like. I like the curl pattern, the whole cut of it. I feel like this is definitely going to be everyday hair. The texture on it definitely feels like a light yaki, which I am definitely here for. I didn't get any tangling, I didn't get any shedding. The cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. As far as it being big head friendly, I wouldn't necessarily think so because there's not a lot of stretch to the cap. I haven't adjusted the straps at all, and my head is about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference. So definitely just be aware that if you do have a large size head, this one may not be for you. This one is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel a need to. I didn't add heat on this one, and I feel like it's sitting pretty good, and I did just go in with my brush and just brush it down to get it to sit the way that I want to. So this one is definitely going to be beginner friendly, definitely throw on and go. So let's just pop right into the cons and the pros of this one. My only con with this one is, like I said, I wish there was a little bit more lace and that it was a little bit more plucked. You definitely can go in and put the additional work to just get it to look more natural, but if you're lazy like me, I just didn't feel like doing all that, so you can kind of fake it till you can make it. But that's probably going to be the only con that I have when it comes to this unit. My pros are I absolutely love the length. I love the cut. I love the fact that this is definitely going to be one you can get away with wearing every day. The texture is really nice. The density is really nice. The quality of the hair feels really nice. And I just feel like all in all, this is going to be a cute one to have in your arsenal if you're just looking for like everyday hair for like work or school or anything in between. I feel like this is just going to be a cute and safe one to go to, and it's not going to require a lot of work, so I definitely am here for it as a whole, and I ain't mad at it. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey, and until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.